In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and resize your logo on your scheduling page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional logo displayed where your clients book time with you, helping your brand look polished and consistent. Let's begin on your scheduling page, the place where people pick a date and time to meet with you. This is where the update will be visible, so it's the right starting point. From here, click on Settings. Depending on your platform, that might look like a gear icon or a tab labeled Settings, usually at the top or along the side. Opening Settings gives you access to appearance options and branding controls. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Logo or something similar, like Branding or Header Image. This is where you'll upload the file. Before you proceed, it's helpful to know that most platforms accept PNG and JPG, and some also support SVG. A PNG with a transparent background typically looks great on different backgrounds. If your logo appears blurry, consider using a higher resolution version, but avoid extremely large files so the page loads quickly. In the logo section, click on Choose File. This will open your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored. It's a good idea to keep a few logo variations, light, dark, and transparent, so you can pick the one that looks best with your scheduling page's colors. Select the file you want to insert, then click Open. You should see a preview appear or a file name confirming the upload. Give it a moment if it needs to process. If you don't see the preview right away, a quick glance at the allowed file types or size limits in that section can save time. Most platforms let you adjust how the logo appears once it's uploaded. You can also resize it, typically using a slider or width and height fields. Aim for a size that's large enough to be recognizable, but not so big that it overshadows the page content. Keeping the aspect ratio locked maintains the logo's proportions and prevents stretching. If alignment options are available, choose a placement that complements your page layout. When everything looks good, finish by clicking Save Changes. This step commits your updates, and you should see a confirmation or an updated preview on the page. That's all there is to it. Your logo is now in place and properly